What is an agriturismo? It's essentially a B&B that operates as a farm. It was a way for farmers to make money. So as added income, they would let out rooms to people that really wanted to sort of experience farm life. And then as it grew, it was more like farm to table. So they would have restaurants. Essentially, they get a government break. And they get some money, I think, from the government as well. Essentially, it's a way to help farmers in Italy. Hi, guys. Welcome to the beautiful, sunshiny Lunigiana. We are here today. Come si dice questo borgo?
Borgo di Groppoli.
Borgo di Groppoli. And we are looking at an agriturismo. So for anybody out there that's interested in a larger piece of property, running an agriturismo here.
Ma se no vi faccio vedere anche la parte sopra del giardino, della proprietà.
No, perché non è cioè.
From what I gathered in that conversation, the land isn't for sale. There's a garden.
Oh,
The farm isn't for sale.
You can't buy the farm.
Then it's not an agriturismo.
Stephen can put down below the definition of an agriturismo, hopefully in a nutshell, I don't know.
Natural. Natural. Naturale.
And it's natural. Thank you, Federico.
Come on.
Federico was a farmer, you know. He was a tomato farmer in his
Alla
last life.
proprietà si
You were
arriva.
a tomato farmer, yes? Weren't you a tomato farmer?
Come on.
he's had enough.
Sotto il sole caldo di Lunigiana, i campi danzavano con il vento piano, profumo di natura, il nostro agriturismo, un sogno di terra, amore e ottimismo. Oh, profumo di natura, il cuore qui batte, ogni zolla, ogni passo, ogni estate.
Il portale come carino.
Loves doors, this guy. Be very careful here. Very slippery. Oh my God. I mean, who said that I didn't know we were going hiking in the rain.
Oggi è l'ideale per fare una passeggiata.
Sì.
Guarda che portale qua, fantastico.
I'm getting a little sarcastic here. You know, every time we go someplace, like we're just tromping through someplace. It's like I literally always feel like I'm being kidnapped. I'm gonna be thrown in one of these doors. They're gonna lock it and they're never gonna come get me again.
Siamo arrivati.
E questo qua?
Allora, questo è un piccolo oratorio che se riusciamo lo apriamo. Non è, è pubblico, eh. Cioè, però è simpatico. Ora lo
It's
vediamo.
cool, yeah, see. This is cute. So, this is your grandfather's house.
Yes.
4 bedrooms, yes?
Yes.
4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the name of your agriturismo?
Profumo di natura.
Oh, that's nice. Nature's perfume,
Yes.
essentially. Okay, so
Yes.
this is a farm.
Yes.
And what do you grow on your farm?
A lot of vegetables, seasonal vegetables
Gotcha.
that we sell at market.
Okay, so that's important about an agriturismo. So in order to be qualified as an agriturismo, you have to grow something.
Yes.
And you have to sell something.
Yes.
And then this building is a medieval building? Was it from the medieval times?
15th century.
15th century, so
1400. 15th century.
Yeah, okay. 1400s. Just yesterday.
Baby.
Just a baby. Okay, so we enter here, we see the church. Why don't you take us on a tour?
So this is the hall.
Okay. So this is a check-in area?
Yes, check area, check-in
Okay,
area.
check-in area. Okay,
Yes.
and then it's a very nice commercial kitchen. Very nice.
Yes.
You have a chef or you're the chef?
No, I'm a waiter.
You're
I
a
studied
waiter.
how waiter. My grandmother, she's the cook, the chef.
That's so cute.
Yes.
Okay, I love it. So family business. This will be perfect for someone that wants to run an agriturismo family business.
From this part, have an outside view. Valle
Oh my
del
God,
Lucido.
it's
This
just
is the
beautiful.
river Lucido.
So this is a room.
Yes.
We're gonna go see a room. Okay, let's go see a room. This is a room.
All the room have the bathroom.
Oh, okay, so all the rooms
Private
have
bathroom.
ensuite bathrooms, that's good. And this is a room, but you do have a gorgeous view. The view is amazing.
Yes, view is.
Like the way I said, but you have a gorgeous view. Hey, renovation city. E questo qua? So it's storage.
Ora not work. No, I'm sorry.
I mean, why are you selling this property? Why do you want to move on from the property?
For me, I'm sad that we needed to sell this,
Okay.
But it's too much to maintenance.
I get it. It's like a
lot of
cruise ship.
work.
I get it. This is for somebody that is younger, I think, that wants to start a business in Italy. This is already set up with all the rooms and all the bathrooms and the kitchen. So it's set up, which I think costs a lot of money.
The dining
Oh,
room.
wow, this is a nice size.
And in front of we have a view of garden.
Very nice. Pergola
sorry, that
out
is,
here. I know it's
bad day,
Hey,
that
it's
is
shitty weather.
raining.
There's nothing we can do about it. It's just shitty. So, shitty, bang, bang. So let's go see the other parts of the hotel.
Okay,
Let's do it.
From this part.
Let's do that. Like, how is this an agriturismo, though? Like, where do you sit down and read a book? In your room, I guess. But there's no patios or anything. Look at this really beautiful welcome when you walk in. Doesn't that make you want to stay here?
Safety.
Hand sized and on a chair.
3 bedroom and 3 bathroom.
Oh, so these are the other three bedroom.
Yes.
They all have bathrooms.
Yes.
Originally, Federico said to me it was 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. I'm just saying this is the information I'm getting.
Room?
This is a vanilla room.
Yes.
Vanilla, baby.
Vanilla,
It's a
Timo.
time room.
And mint.
Your basic dorm room. It's perfect. Is that the whole Agriturismo? Is that everything?
Farm.
Okay.
That is a part of Agriturismo. And the room under a place for wine.
Oh yeah, let's go see that.
Cantina.
Yeah, I'll have a glass. Thank you. The names of the rooms were like after, I think it was Menta, Timo, and Vanilla. Yeah, Vanilla. And it was so funny when Stephen was going through and filming, he was like, they should smell like the name of the room. So they didn't smell like that. They smelled like old socks, but whatever.
And then we have the other dining room. The problem, the height of the room, too close, because it's not for the height of the room.
Questo vino.
Yes. Wine room.
Oh wow.
Very, very old here. Also for the wine here. This is an old part here for the pork.
There's a part for pigs here. This would be a cool room, actually.
For the fire.
I'm sorry, so how do you heat the house? With wood?
Wood, yes.
So someone has to put wood in that? You gotta get out of this place. Christian, this is his bedroom in the winter, and he just puts wood in the fire. You gotta get out of here, Christian. I take back what I said. This guy's here all winter. So cute.
I show you the farm.
Oh my God. I love this tour. It's the best. We're just gonna let the young folks go up to the farm. Kim and I are not gonna do
Yes,
that.
follow
We're
me.
gonna cut some wood, get you started.
Allora, here, car.
It's possible to arrive at a house, and there is a part of the farm for the tractor.
Christian is a cute kid. And you know, I mean, we were just talking about this. This is why Italian kids are leaving Italy, you know, leaving the villages, because this is, you know, they can't charge a lot for this. They don't have a lot of money. You know, it's like this vicious cycle of they can't charge a lot. They'd like to charge more, but they don't have the money to make things look better.
A place for the other farm tool here.
Full disclosure, I think like some cute family could come in here and make this really cute because it's a farm. So if you want to farm in Italy, it could be really, really, really cute. It's a beautiful location. It's a really cute Borgo. It's very authentic. And for me, the big seller on this is that there's a farm.
Quanti terra? Metri quadrati?
Allora no,
Hectares, acres?
nella vendita quanto sono? 400-500 metri sarà.
Sì, penso sui 400,
C'è
probabilmente.
un bel giardino? Sì.
So the farm itself isn't for sale, yeah.
Is possibile Olive? A parte, no?
From what I gathered in that conversation, the land isn't for sale. There's a garden. The farm isn't for sale.
What?
I asked about terra. Niente, garden, that's it.
But you can't buy the farm?
Then it's not an agriturismo.
Okay, so una domanda. I have a question for you, Federico.
Ok.
He just told me that you're not selling the farm, the land part. So the farm is not
No.
part of this.
Ok,
no.
ok.
This is not an agriturismo then. Because what I'm buying from you is just the house, not the
Yes.
farm. Isn't an agriturismo technically a farm? So this is a B&B you're selling. And he looks at me straight face and says, yes. I'm like, why the hell would anyone want to buy this? I mean, the only thing charming about this is the farm. Beware, ask a million questions, and be your own advocate when you're looking for real estate in Italy. That's my TED Talk. You're welcome.